Hello everybody, this is Terry from TJ's Tiny Homestead. Welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm going to show you what we got today at Aldi's. We went into town to get stuff to make a salad because we've been wanting salad and our garden just ain't there yet. So let me show you what we found. We found this 26-gallon collapsible grow bag. It was just $10. It's the only one they had, or I would have bought some more. Not a bad price, I didn't think so, but look at that. Yeah, I don't know what we'll plant in it, but it won't go to waste. And we also found these tumbling composters. We were going to go to Aldi's and buy one of those expensive ones, but they had these for $12.49. So we just went ahead and bought two of them. My husband's already got one of them put together, as you can see. Look at that. Not a bad thing. Over here at the side, got two legs. Here's the other side. The door slides, and there's a good look at the inside. Close that back up, and it tumbles. Like they said, round and round it goes. So I'm going to find a home for that, someplace handy but out of the way, and we'll be using both of them. So let me know what you think. I think we did really good getting them for $12.49. Not bad. And he said it only took him like 15 minutes to put it together. All of it snapped together except for the legs. The legs screw on. These things here, they just screw on. And the tumbler stop down here. The tumbler stops so it won't tumble. But that's good too. So, yeah, I think we did really good. Alright, I'll let you go. Tell me what you think in the comments below. And if you like this video, please subscribe, because we're going to have a giveaway for 100 subscribers here in the next couple days. So, bye-bye and have a good day.